Now let's discuss about chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Representation of a chemical substance using symbols and formulae of the substance is called chemical equation. Representation of a chemical reaction using symbols and formulae of the substance is called chemical reaction. Let's take an example. A plus B and we obtain C plus D. In this equation, A and B are called reactants. As we have discussed about, when two substances react together, these are called reactants. The arrow shows the direction of the chemical reactions, and C and D are called products. Okay, here in this equation you can see A and B are called reactants, whereas C and D are called products, and this arrow sign shows the direction of the chemical reaction. Now let's discuss about the rules. Reactants are written on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. Okay. Similarly, products are written on the right hand side. Okay. Now let's take one more example. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives water. This reaction can be represented by the following chemical equation. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives water. Okay. Chemical reaction can be divided into two types: balanced and unbalanced equation. Okay. How we can identify the reaction is balanced or unbalanced? Here you can see hydrogen react with oxygen, form water. Count and compare the number of atoms of each element on the left hand side and right hand side of the arrow. If the number of atoms of each element same on both sides, it means equation is balanced. If not, then equation is unbalanced because the mass is not same on both sides. Okay. So we need to balance the equation. Here you can see there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen. Here formula of water H2O. So here you can see in this side 2 atom of hydrogen are present, but oxygen only 1 atom of oxygen is there. So this is unbalanced equation. So we need to balance the equation. Okay. Let's take one more example. When sodium react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. Okay. Now here you can see 1 atom of sodium is present, 2 atom of oxygen, and in this side, right hand side, you can see 2 atoms of sodium and only 1 atom of oxygen is there. So what we have to do, this is also unbalanced equation. In next example, when carbon react with oxygen, it form carbon dioxide. And the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Here you can see 1 atom of carbon is there, 2 atom of oxygen, and right hand side you can see here also 1 atom of carbon is there and 2 atom of oxygen. So we can see that equation is balanced. We don't need to balance it. But in the previous equation you have seen that 1 atom of sodium in the left hand side, and here you can see 2 atom of sodium. Here 2 atom of oxygen is there, and in this side only 1 atom of oxygen. So we need to balance it. Okay, so how we will balance it? Yeah, there are 2 atom of sodium, so we have to write 2 Now it is balanced. 2Na, 2Na. Now O2, oxygen, 2 atom of oxygen is there. So put 2. Now again it is unbalanced. 2 2s are 4. Okay, here 4 atom of sodium is there, and here only 2 atom. So what we will do? We will simply write 4. Now it is equation is balanced. There are 4 atoms of sodium. 2 2s are 4 atom of sodium, 2 atom of oxygen, and here also 2 atom of oxygen. In this way we will balance the equation.